Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to report messages on Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft credentials to access your Outlook account. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to start reporting messages. To report messages on Outlook, navigate to the inbox pane on the left side of your screen where all your emails and email folders are displayed. This is where you'll find the message you want to report. Take a moment to locate the specific email you wish to flag. Once you've found it, right-click on the email to open a context menu with various options. From this context menu, you'll see the report option listed. Hover your cursor over it and the menu will expand to show you more choices. From the expanded menu, click on Report. This action immediately flags the email and sends it to Microsoft for review, helping protect other users from potentially harmful content. Now, if you need to report multiple emails at once, there's an even faster way to handle this. Instead of reporting emails one by one, you can select multiple messages by clicking on the checkbox next to each email you want to report. This is especially useful when you've received several suspicious messages from the same sender or similar phishing attempts. Once you've selected all the emails you want to flag, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. Here you'll see a report drop-down button in the toolbar. Click on it and two options will appear in the list. From these options, click on Report Phishing. This action will immediately tag and report all the selected emails as phishing attempts to Microsoft. Reporting phishing emails is crucial because it helps Microsoft identify patterns, block malicious senders, and protect the entire Outlook community from cyber threats. And that's it. You've successfully reported suspicious messages on Outlook, making your inbox safer and helping protect others. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.